What's up, dudes? Welcome back. Going out for a ride today, bringing some parts, some places. We'll catch up. You'll see this in future videos and stuff. Anyways, I just wanted to put out this little video with you guys just to kind of say what's up, because you guys that have been really following this winter, you're seeing some new stuff going on. Like when we pick up those 240s at Jay's, or we tried to get them out of the ice and stuff. A few things like that. And you saw Malice, our new drag car, so we're keeping you updated on a small level. But really it's because not a lot's been going on. I've been working like crazy all winter long, so a lot of the videos that you guys have been seeing, like the top fives and the throwback Thursdays, oh, this road's rough, I'm sorry, and the throwback Thursdays and all that stuff, well, that was all like pre-recorded. And so now, wow, sorry the road's so rough that I can't keep the camera straight. It's probably bouncing off the window, making all kinds of noise. I hope it's not, because I really need to use this footage to tell you guys what's up and what's been going on. So what I'm saying is, yeah, I've been working like crazy, and so has everybody else on this crew and the guys we do the videos with. So we haven't had much of a chance at all to really update you guys and keep a steady flow of videos. As you can see, you know, things changed and stuff. But our season, when I started this thing, the season really starts, the season for Project 253 really starts at the 1st of April, because Project 253 is, like, I started it because I wanted my friends to all get into this and start doing videos and stuff and having fun with their cars, and everybody was like down to do the car thing and have fun and stuff, whatever, but nobody really wanted to do the video part of it and stuff. So I said, fuck it, I'll just do it myself. I started doing it. That's why it's TC, Project 253. The reason that it's Project 253 is that I'm doing this kind of in honor of my brother who passed away 2 years ago now, 2017. Hold on, holy shit. Welcome to Quebec, right? So I'm trying to, jeez, and rice. Whew. So the reason it's 253 was because when my kid brother was racing BMX, his number was 253, and he passed away at 20 years old. He was just getting into the car scene, getting good at doing stuff with cars, working on cars. He had a truck that he was building and working on. And also the other car that he had that you saw in previous videos was his Toyota Supra. The idea was that we were going to start a race team together, and hopefully a garage. He was signed up, he was on his way to go to school to become a licensed mechanic. He had all his tools, he had all his paperwork set up and everything. And just weeks later, he unfortunately died in a car crash. So doing this in his honor, Project 253, well, it's a project, it's something that we're building. Our dream was to have a shop and a race team. I want to keep going in that direction. We're always into drag racing and drifting. We're going to keep going in that direction and just see what we can do with it and what we can make of it. So that's how we get Project 253, if nobody knows. And the reason the TC is in front of it, well, it's more than one reason, I guess, but I just started it because I wanted people to join along, and so far so good. I'm really happy with the guys that come and work with me and do stuff, and some guys are getting really into it, and that makes me really happy. I'm looking forward to do some really good work with this. I lost my train of thought, too many bumps. So basically what's up now, our new season starts. I worked a whole bunch of stuff, worked on a whole bunch of things to try to change up the format a little bit. We're gonna get a bit of visually more professional, hopefully, I think, because I got some cool things like put our name down here, stuff like that. It looks a lot better now. It's more us, it's more our own deal. And so yeah, the season starts real soon. We're gonna start filming really soon. We already started filming a little bit, not much, not as much as I want, that's for sure. But the nice weather's coming. I don't have to be plowing, whoa, I don't have to be plowing snow so much, so we could definitely make a go of it there. And so April 1st, my brother's birthday, he should have been 22. So we're gonna release on that day, 4 in the morning, because that's the time the legends wake up. I'm going to release to you guys the Project 253 2018 season, basically the movie. Like, if you guys have been following, you know that there's 3 videos out there that are different than a vlog. They're actually done like a documentary style. And to be honest, it's just it's an art project for me. It's not I take it seriously, but not too seriously. You know what I mean? If you think it's retarded, that's okay. I'm just doing this to, it's a sense of expression, to see what works, to have fun with it. And I think it's kind of neat. I've always wanted to do like a documentary style deal. And so that's the 1st of April. That's coming out 4 a.m. And then I'm going to try to stick to an every other day schedule. It's going to be really hard, so you know, probably going to miss a few here and there. But I'm going to just work really hard on this and get as many videos out for you guys as possible. Hopefully stuff you like. A lot of projects coming our way, and I want to try to really focus on one project at a time, because I'm giving you guys all, like, dropping you on your face, giving you blue balls with these builds. We start something, get 2-3 videos in, and all of a sudden it disappears. So that's partly because of budget, that's partly because of time, but that's mostly my fault. So I'm gonna definitely work on that, and stay tuned. If you like what you've seen so far on this channel, it's only gonna get better. The idea of having a race team is actually coming a lot sooner than I thought, because now with Malice, that's really a team car, because I own the chassis, and I'm going to let Brent put the motor in it, so we're both kind of working on the car, and Brent's going to drive it. That's going to be the team drag car. My 240 is going to be the team drift car. Everybody kind of gets to take a chance to beat on that, but I'm going to be the main driver, of course, just like Brent will be the main driver of Malice, the 67 Nova drag car we have. So look forward to that stuff. Like I said, new videos coming soon. You're going to see what we did last year. That's coming next week, April 1st. And then right after that, we're going to update you guys on Jean-Marc's boat, that big ass wagon. A lot of magical things have happened to that. So we're going to update you on that, guys, on that thing, show you what's up. And after that, we're going to go to Kiwi Performance, see what's up there. Hopefully they're working on my car. Spoiler alert, they haven't started working on it yet, so it's not in that video, but there's a lot of other cool shit in that video that you guys should check out, because it's some good foreshadowing, I think. And then we go up to Jamie's, check out what's going on there, check out with his 240 and the gang of crazy ass guys that are there, always having fun, always sending it to do it. It's going to be a fun video, so keep watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We love you. We hope this is going to work out. We're going to have a lot of fun, so stay tuned.